Welcome to Mercy's Designs. My name is Mercy and I demonstrate Stampin' Up! Products. Today I'm going to bring you some alternatives for the Paper Pumpkin March 2021. So it's called Here's to You, and I came up with a few ideas by incorporating a few stamp sets that I already have from, I guess, the annual catalog, which is Silhouette Scenes, Beautiful World, and that's mostly sentiments, in Way to Goat. And this is the main one. I used these really adorable little goats, which I thought lended itself very well to this nature mountain scene. Of course, we all know that goats and mountains, that kind of goes together. So I did coloring ahead of time. I did a lot of things ahead of time. So what I thought I would do is I would mostly speed up showing this, and then put in the description, etc., some of the details in case you wonder. So the first card we're going to start with is my favorite, and that's this mountain goat. And this paper, this whole insert is actually pre-stamped except for the birds. So a lot of it's ahead of time. And then I also, they have this thing with that you can insert these in envelopes. So how that works is you slip it inside, but I kind of feel like that's a bit of a waste. So it would go like that. So an alternative is you can use this as DSP, and you can take the piece like here and just put it in like this if you wanted to have a little something. Or, I was just thinking about this. This might be more what I would do. I would put it on the outside, and I think that's really cute. So that's an alternative. All right, so I'm going to get started, and I hope you will enjoy these cards. All right, so I will now bring back in all my cards. I hope you are inspired by these cards and alternatives. I really enjoyed making these, and I plan to make a few more. Obviously, you can make quite a few of these because I believe it was like 4, maybe even 5 of these that you could make, and then each one has double you can put in. So I think it's really cute, these cards. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any stamping needs, please email me at mewants3@gmail.com, and I'd be happy to help you place an order with a host code. Happy stamping, and thanks again for watching.